Welcome back to Wavelength, and I'm with Dino Physical. Dino Physical, introduce yourself to the public.
Well, I don't know physical image, Dino Physical. I'm there with Sashka. Thanks for having me this week.
You're welcome, Dino Physical. Alright, exactly what you do in the media?
Well, I'm a graphic designer. Whatever has to do with graphics, that's me. If I don't know how to do it, I know how to do it. Yeah, that's just how it goes.
Okay, before we talk more with Dino Physical, let me go to the Facebook/Twitter discussion. And the question is, are songs with supposed demonic or dark themes casting a bad light on the music industry, or is the public just overreacting? Our Facebook, Danny Ellie, said, music shouldn't affect the way people think. If it does, it's just showing that morality of people isn't strong enough. She also said she listened to all songs, gun songs, sex songs, and still know who she is. Twitter says it does. What do you think?
Well, I agree with her. If you make music define how you think or how your action, you do your actions, then you don't know who you is. Yeah, because music can influence me, and me influence me.
You really think so? I mean, yeah, you hear the gunshot rhythms, the songs, everything, every day, and you tell me that a child don't feel like shooting someone?
Well, a child...
When they get angry, instead of just speak it out,
well,
they're going to fight.
A child is a child, and an adult is an adult.
But adults fight as well.
Yeah, unless they don't really know themselves.
Alright, we're going to go straight to Dino Physical for his favorite 10, starting from 10 to 8.
Well, you don't know, number 10 I have to go to Flex with Fresh. And why I like that video there, I like the graphics work united. But number 9 would have to go to Material Medley. I like the whole concept of that video there. And number 8 are Chronics Behind Curtain. So just check out them bad.
Soon be back.
You know it's ED, star of the hit movie Out the Gate, the dancehall celebrity, and you're in luck with Wavelength. Keep it locked. ED says so it goes so.
See the most exciting program to hit cable TV. We have the artists, we have the songs, and we have the stimulating conversation. Watch as we touch base with members of the music industry and hear their varying views. Listen as new tunes are played and rated. Become absorbed by the views on the street. Get interactive with us and share your own take on the issue.